Mastering Understanding Business Frameworks, an overview of Flevy's offerings. Only the bravest leaders dare to confront the dark truth about their broken business frameworks. Who among business leaders and organizational stakeholders struggles to identify and overcome the key challenges of implementing and sustaining business frameworks, and consequently, seeks guidance on navigating these complexities to achieve successful framework adoption and long-term benefits? Many business leaders and organizational stakeholders face difficulties when it comes to identifying and overcoming the key challenges of implementing and sustaining business frameworks. These individuals often struggle to navigate the complexities involved in adopting a framework, which can hinder their ability to achieve successful implementation and long-term benefits. Typically, the individuals who struggle with business framework implementation and sustainability include 1. CEOs and top executives. They often lack a clear understanding of the framework's underlying principles, making it challenging to communicate the vision and objectives to their teams. This limited understanding can lead to inadequate support, inadequate resource allocation, and ultimately, failed implementation. 2. Middle management. They may face resistance from their teams due to a lack of understanding or buy-in, making it difficult to drive change and ensure adoption. Without proper training and support, middle management may struggle to interpret and apply the framework effectively. 3. Department heads and functional leaders. They might struggle to integrate the framework into their existing processes, systems, and procedures. This can result in siloed thinking, inadequate collaboration, and failed integration, ultimately hindering the organization's ability to achieve the desired outcomes. 4. Project managers and change agents. They may encounter difficulties in tailoring the framework to their organization's specific needs, resulting in a generic or superficial implementation that fails to address the organization's unique pain points and challenges. 5. Business analysts and consultants. They might struggle to facilitate collaboration and consensus building among stakeholders, leading to delays, resistance, or even framework rejection. 6. Operational managers and team leaders. They may face challenges in operationalizing the framework, making it difficult to ensure consistent application, monitoring, and evaluation across the organization. 7. Subject matter experts and specialists. They might struggle to adapt the framework to their specific area of expertise, leading to a lack of alignment and integration with other departments and functions. These stakeholders often seek guidance on navigating the complexities involved in implementing and sustaining business frameworks. They require support in addressing the following challenges: lack of clarity on the framework's underlying principles and objectives, inadequate stakeholder buy-in and engagement, insufficient resources and budgetary constraints, limited understanding of how to tailor the framework to their organization's unique needs, difficulty in integrating the framework with existing processes and systems, inadequate change management and communication strategies, limited ability to measure and evaluate framework effectiveness, insufficient support for ongoing framework maintenance and improvement. To overcome these challenges, business leaders and organizational stakeholders require access to comprehensive resources, tools, and expert guidance. This includes clear and concise explanations of the framework's underlying principles and objectives, practical guidance on stakeholder engagement, communication, and change management, templates, tools, and methodologies for tailoring the framework to their organization's unique needs, expert advice on integrating the framework with existing processes and systems, support for developing effective measurement and evaluation strategies, ongoing access to resources and support for maintaining and improving the framework over time. By addressing these challenges and providing the necessary guidance and support, business leaders and organizational stakeholders can increase their chances of successful framework adoption, drive meaningful change, and achieve long-term benefits for their organization.